Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinite Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your medical examination. This question came on NEET 2021. So let us see this question. Question says, okay, this is a column based question and you have to match the column. And you have to find out which option, which column of option A is related to column second. So first of all, you have been given drift velocity. Okay, and then electrical resistivity, relaxation, and current density. You must remember the formulas of all these the quantities like drift velocities, current densities, how their interrelationships are, and not about resistivity. You can also learn about conductivity, and you can also learn about current at the same time. Okay, so first of all, we'll begin with drift velocity. Drift velocity, which option is correct out of which? Is it P, Q, R, or S? We know that drift velocity is given by relation, and we also know this with drift velocity is also given by relationship. Vd must be equal to half E capital E M, and this is relaxation time. Okay, so that means drift velocity of an electron drifting within the conductor is given by this relationship, in which E is the electronic charge of a electron, and capital E is the electric field, M is the mass of the electron, and tau is a relaxation time. So the time between the two collision. Okay, so this is the relationship that have been given to you, or so that means it is closely related to this option, which is E by M into tau, where tau is the relaxation time. Okay, so the A must be related to R. So that means either you have this option correct, A must be related to R, or okay, this is also A related to R, so anyone can be correct. So we'll be moving to the second option, that is electrical resistivity. So what is electrical resistivity of a material? So we also know that, and about what about relaxation time, and what about current density? Current density, we already know that current density is given by relationship, which is current density is given by relationship J. J is NE Vd, where Vd is a drift velocity. Okay, so we can say that D is related to Q. Okay, so that means if D is related to Q, either this option or either this option is correct. So that means out of these two could be correct. Okay, now what about relaxation time, electrical resistivity? We know that resistivity, or we can or conductivity is given by relationship. We know that this J is equivalent to NEVD, don't you think? Okay, and what about drift velocity? Drift velocity is given by relationship E half QE by M into this is relaxation time. Okay, from here we know that this relationship J by A is given by a special constant term is there, that is called J by A is nothing but this current density per unit electric field is given by a relationship which is conductivity, which is also called as sigma. Okay, so this sigma, so if J by A is this much of relationship, so this term and this sigma is also related to conductivity as 1 upon rho, 1 upon rho, which is resistivity. We know that conductivity is inversely proportional to resistivity. All these things, all the formula you have to learn, okay, in order to come to the final conclusion. So that means this sigma is related to as 1 by this resistivity as this much. So if I'll put the value of here, so you'll be getting J, 1 upon resistivity is J by E. Okay, so I'll be putting the value over here. J by A is nothing but 1 upon resistivity is nothing but, here the term would be NE square by 2 M into tau. So the relaxation time would comes out to be 2M by rho N E square. Okay, so this is the relaxation time equation that we have got. So that means the relaxation time C is related to P. Okay, because it is closely related to 2MP rho and E square. So C is related to P over here. So this is the answer that we are getting. Okay, electrical resistivity is nothing but we know that conductivity is J by E. So electrical resistivity would be E by J. So that means B must be related to S. So finally we have got the first answer, which is S is related. So B is related to S and C is related to P. Okay. So first option is the correct option that we have got. For all these things, you must remember the formulas in order to get to the final conclusion. Okay, rest everything is clear to you. I hope this question is clear to you. Thank you.